joining us this morning is author, entrepreneur, and culinary personality, Rossella Rago, and her lovely Nona, Romana.
Who is busy, as you can see already. So welcome to New York Living.
Thank you for having me, guys. Nona's been very busy this morning making you guys fresh pasta.
Oh my goodness. So tell us how you all started getting to cook together to begin with.
So the year was 2009. There was no Instagram. There was no, I'm older than all the apps over here. And nobody was a content creator at the time, but I thought it would be really great to do a cooking show featuring recipes of Italian grandmothers, because I feel like they're the unsung heroes of the culinary world.
Yeah.
I mean, who doesn't have a beautiful memory of their grandmother?
Were you always cooking since you were a kid with your grandma?
I'm first generation Italian American, so you know, food is just a part of our lives. It's part of our identity. So I guess I never thought it was special, but then I went to school with American kids, and they had microwaves. You know, they had all this cool stuff that we didn't get to have, and I noticed, wow, my family's a little different
And special.
and special. Yes.
Difference good, especially when it involves food, okay? So, had me at pasta. Can you just tell me a little bit of what we're making today?
So this is the traditional pasta from the region that we come from in Italy. They're called orecchiette. They mean little ears. And they're just made with semolina and water. And we've been making these together ever since I was a kid. You've probably seen them at your favorite Italian restaurant paired with broccoli rabe, which is a bitter green, and sausage, which is what we made for you guys today. And it's just such a warm, comforting dish that, you know, that screams Italian America to me.
So what is the secret to doing it properly and making it the best like Nona?
I mean, only about 70, 80 years of practice. Gee, that helps. But I always tell people when they're starting to make fresh pasta on their own, just practice. It's gonna look like crap before it looks like anything edible. I've been there too. I didn't emerge from the womb like a pasta prodigy or anything. It took me a little bit, but if you have passion for it, it really will come out good.
Can you talk about the cookbook then and how special that was? Well, tell me about it first, and then tell me how special it was to be able to collaborate with your grandmother.
So Cooking with Nona Sunday Dinners is our third cookbook, thank God. And this one is really a love letter to my Italian American upbringing, because I wanted to feature Italian red sauce dishes that are uniquely Italian American, because when you're part of an immigrant culture, the food changes when you come to America, and it really reflects the abundance and the new landscape of ingredients that you have. So I wanted to give everybody kind of like the Bible to have big Italian Sunday dinners, especially after COVID where we couldn't be together. And now that we can, you have everything you need to have a big Italian celebration, whether you're Italian or not.
And how many recipes are we talking?
Yes, Fali. She's like, am I finishing this pasta or what? Who's taking it home?
Yes.
She's about to throw it in somebody's purse. There are 130 recipes in Cooking with Sunday dinners. Yeah, I was not cheap with the recipes.
I know that's right. And so for someone like me, no experience really with cooking pasta, how easy or how hard do we have things in here?
There's something for everybody. You know, there's chicken parm for, you know, chicken parm lovers, and that's really easy. There are salads, there's soups, so there's something for everyone.
And what is this that we have exactly?
You have this pasta cooked with broccoli rabe and Italian sweet sausage.
You can grab one star.
I want to help.
Plus, oh my gosh, it's delicious. While we're doing this, tell me about the cocktail that you brought us.
So there's an entire cocktail chapter in this book because, I mean, let's be honest, you're having big Sunday dinners with your Italian family. You need a drink. So I did an Italian play on the classic American champagne cocktail. So this is Prosecco, Campari, a little bit of Amaro, which is an Italian digestive liquor, and these are Amarena sour cherries.
Oh my goodness. Can I do this on the air? All right, I'm going to try it.
It's early enough.
This is delicious, but I'm going to try the cocktail.
I'll cheers with you guys. Here you go.
So what does your Nona think about all the attention? She's a little bit of a celebrity now.
I just told her she was going to be on TV about 20 minutes ago, and she was like, oh, that's nice.
Oh, stop. So she's just kind of used to it then.
She's one of the most famous Nonas ever now, and Nonna, are you excited to be here?
What?
You excited that you're here?
No.
You know what? She's like, yo, put me to work.
Is there something, though, that is your favorite dish that your grandmother makes that you were most excited to share with everybody?
I think every time she makes pasta, it's so special because we get to do it together most of the time. And then she also makes a dish that is in this book called anelletti with little meatballs, and it looks like SpaghettiOs.
Oh, wow.
But I wasn't allowed to have SpaghettiOs from the can when I was little, so she had to make me her interpretation of it. So that's very special to me because she really wanted me to feel like I was like the other kids.
Well, cheers to you
Yes,
and
yes,
your
cheers,
family.
cheers.
Thank you,
Cheers.
guys.
And thanks for joining us.
Happy
And
holidays.
Happy holidays to you. Thank you so much, Nona.
Thank you.
We'll make it more fun next time. So Cooking with Nona is out now, and you can find it at all the major bookstores and online.